Is your Citigroup app acting up, leaving you locked out of your finances? First, let's tackle connectivity. Your Citigroup app relies on a stable internet connection, so the most common culprit is your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Tap on your device's settings and ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to a known network. If you're using cellular data, make sure that's also enabled. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if one isn't working, or disconnect from your Wi-Fi and reconnect to refresh the connection. Next, let's check for app updates. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so an outdated app can cause issues. Head to your device's app store, that's the Apple App Store for iPhones or Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for the Citigroup app. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it to install the latest version. If the app is already up to date, the update button will say open. Sometimes, a simple app restart can resolve minor glitches. Close the Citigroup app completely. On most phones, this involves swiping out from the bottom of the screen and then swiping the app card away. For older devices, you might need to access the multitasking view. If the app is still misbehaving, clearing the app's cache can help. Go back to your phone settings, find apps or applications, and locate the Citigroup app. Tap on it, then look for an option like storage or app info, and you should find a clear cache button. Tap that to clear temporary data, which can often fix performance issues. Finally, ensure your device is compatible. Check the Citigroup app's requirements in the App Store to confirm your phone's operating system is supported. If none of these steps work, a good old-fashioned device restart can often clear out deeper issues. Power off your phone completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to easily managing your banking on the go.